In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to Hostinger Website Builder. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hostinger website editor. To do this, open up your web browser and head over to the editor's homepage. Once there, you'll find yourself looking at a customizable workspace where all the magic happens. Now that we're in, the next step is to click on the Add Elements button. This button is your gateway to enhancing your website with rich media and interactive features. It typically appears on the side panel, and when you click on it, you will be presented with a variety of elements that you can incorporate into your page. Once you've clicked Add Elements, the next task is to search for the video option. Usually you can find this by either typing video into the search bar or scrolling through the list of elements until you see it. Selecting the video option allows you to embed video content directly into your web page, creating a dynamic and engaging experience for your visitors. After you've found the video feature, go ahead and select it, and then look for the Edit Video option that accompanies it. This part is crucial as it opens up the settings where you can customize how your video is displayed. You'll want to be sure that you have the video link you intend to use already copied to your clipboard, as this is what you'll be pasting into the settings. Now that you're in the video settings menu, locate the text box titled Video Link. This is where you paste the link that you've copied. It could be a link from a platform like YouTube or any other video hosting service that you're using. Make sure to double check that the link is correct and complete before pasting it into the box. It's as simple as that. With your video link now in place, you have some additional options to tweak its appearance and behavior. You can resize the video or even fit it to match the screen dimensions. For some added customization, you may want to explore more settings like the format to tailor the video experience to your website's look and feel. Before finalizing everything, click on Preview. This action allows you to see how your video will appear to your audience. This step is vital for ensuring that everything looks just the way you want it before it's live on your website. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully added a video to your website with Hostinger Website Builder. Viewing it in action should confirm that all your adjustments reflect on the page, making your site more engaging and visually appealing for your visitors.